In a series of denials, Sifiso Zungu, also known as Gwabini, poured cold water on all of the state's key witness, Constable Sizwe Zungu's claims about events at the Basotho hostel, including that there was a gathering at his place on the night that soccer star Senzo Meyiwa was killed.
Yeah, he just explained further to this court that that was just not a mere sitting. You guys were talking, you were eating, you were drinking, and you were also having some fun through dancing.
I don't know, man. Who is lying?
He further told this court that amongst the first people that he was able to recognize as the patrons who were there, it was accused number one, Muzi Sibia.
I don't know, man.
No, he's telling lies.
Thank you. Now remember, we're talking about what he says happened, according to him, on the 26th of October 2014. Do you follow?
I understand.
Thank you.
Constable Sizwe Zungu had also testified that on that night, 3 of the accused, 1, 2, and 3, returned to the Basotho hostel in haste, seemingly panicked, and that he witnessed 2 firearms, a revolver, and a 9mm. Gwabini dismissed all of those claims.
According to his observation, he told to this court that he could see that they were in a bit of a shock as they were walking fast.
No, he's telling lies.
Now, he said they then walked straight into your room.
Nah, man.
He's telling lies.
Now, Constable Zungu also told this court that immediately after they got into your room, you also stood up and followed them into the same room that is described as your room, where they also got in.
I don't know, man.
No, he's telling lies.
Thank you. Now, he said he also got a bit curious, which that curiosity prompted him to also follow suit, to go and see what was happening in that room. In other words, he also followed you and these 3 other gentlemen into your room.
He's telling lies.
Thank you. Now, he further told to this court that as he got into the room where you were with these 3 gentlemen, the lights went off.
Nah, man.
He's telling lies.
Now, you then took the initiative and switched on the lights again, and then you said that the light or the globe was having some problems.
Oh, nah, man.
He told lies.
Thank you. Now, he told this court that actually when he arrived at Basotho hostel, he put his firearm in your room, or he placed it somewhere in your room.
Nah, man.
No, he's telling lies.
Thank you. Now, he told this court that because you had said that the light was having some problem, then you started to try and fix it. You started to fix it in order to deal with the problem that the light had.
No, nah, man.
No, he's telling lies.
Now, he says, whilst he was in your room, in your presence, with the presence of accused number 1, 2, and 3, he also got in and stood between accused number 2 and 3, who were between 1 and 2, who were on his either sides.
I don't know, man.
We'll start. No, he's telling lies.
Yes, he said he was also standing there. Accused number 1 was on his other side, and accused number 3 was on his other side.
ayunamanga.
No, he's telling lies.
Thank you. Then he says that he saw that both accused number 1 and accused number 3 had firearms in their possessions.
Ayunamanga.
No, he's telling lies.
While Constable Zungu claimed that he saw accused number 2 Bongani Ntanzi changing some of his clothes, Wabini denies this, including the constable's testimony that accused number 1 announced Meyiwa's death.
Then he went on to tell this court that as he went out of that room, he saw accused number 2, that is now Mr. Ntanzi. He was standing at some little corner there. He did not specify what corner was it, but he said, I saw him standing at some corner there.
Ayunamanga.
I told lies.
Well, in totality, in relation to his observation of him saying he saw accused number 2 standing at some corner there, he also said that he observed or noticed that accused number 2 had changed his jacket from grey to black.
Unamanga.
He's lying.
Wabini then dropped a bombshell that he last saw Constable Zungu in 1998 and was surprised by his visit almost a decade later in 2017.
Now, he further told this court that whilst everybody was standing there, it doesn't come out clear from his evidence as to where, but I assume it was in the common place, because everybody came out from your room. Then this is what he told to this court. He told to this court that he saw accused number 1 taking out his red T-shirt and held a bottle of beer on the other hand and said that, and asked if you people have heard that Senzo is no more.
Ayunamanga.
He's telling lies.
Ayunamanga.
He's lying.
Wabini also told the court that he was arrested in 2020 for the Meyiwa case, claiming that police squeezed a firearm under his mattress and allegedly assaulted him. His examination in chief continues. Crisalda Lewis, SABC News at the High Court in Pretoria.